So I was born and raised in Seattle, which means that we do not get exposed to pimento cheese dip the way other parts of the country are exposed to pimento cheese dip. Which means when I discovered pimento cheese dip, I was almost an adult. And when I discovered that you could put pimento cheese on white bread and call it a sandwich, I was a full-grown adult, and it was still life-changing. So I make this pimento cheese now as often as I can, and usually for golf tournaments. This weekend we're throwing a golf-themed party, so I'm making it for that. To start making our pimento cheese, I'm gonna grate 2 cups of cheddar cheese into a bowl. You do actually have to grate it yourself. When you buy the pre-grated cheese, it's coated in a potato starch, and so it doesn't cream together the way that you need this dip to cream together. The rest of it comes together super fast, so if you have to grate a little cheese, it's not that big a deal. Okay, once you have 2 cups of cheese grated, we're gonna add to that 1 brick of cream cheese. It needs to be fairly soft, so room temperature or so is ideal. And then a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Then I like to grate in my jalapeno so that we get sort of a minced jalapeno that goes all the way through and you don't end up with little bites of jalapeno. This you can add as little or as much as you like for jalapeno. If you want it spicy, go big. If you don't want it spicy, go easy. I'm gonna add about a 1/2 of the jalapeno. And then I'm gonna blend this before I add the pimento to it so that the pimento doesn't get too mushed up. Okay, now we're gonna add the diced pimento. Then I'm gonna add a little onion powder, about a teaspoon, garlic powder, and cayenne powder. So again, as much or as little as you want. Go easy if you want it to be less spicy, or go big if you wanna go big. And then a few dashes of Tabasco. Okay, that's literally it. That's pimento cheese dip. It's so simple, it's so delicious, and you spread it on white bread and you make a sandwich, serve it with crackers, serve it with celery. We're gonna serve it at our golf-themed party this weekend, so I'll post some pictures for you. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you're cooking, and I will see you back here next week.